In this video tutorial, I'm going to show you how to change the colors of your folders on your Mac. So first things first, you can obviously just right click on a folder, and then as you can see, you'll see different colors that the Mac operating system provides to you, like a dark blue, green, yellow, red. But if you want more customization to be able to change it to a custom color, what you want to do is you want to right click on that folder and go to Get Info. Once you do that, you'll see the properties of that folder like you see here. In the upper left-hand corner, if we click one time on the thumbnail for that folder, you can see that blue folder right here, it highlights it. You can see there's a highlight around it letting you know you've selected the folder image. What I want you to do is select it by clicking on it once, and then on your keyboard, go to Command-C one time. So go to Command-C on your keyboard to copy that image. Now, I want you to open up Apple Notes. It's a free app that's on every Mac. The icon looks like this here. Once Apple Notes is open, go ahead and start a new note like I've done here, and then just go ahead and go to your keyboard and go to Command-V. And it will paste in that image of that folder right here. Now what I want you to do is I want you to select that image. It'll look like this here in your Apple Note, and then hit Command-C one more time. Command-C, like so, to copy it from your Apple Note. Once you've done that, I want you to open up the Preview app. The Preview app icon looks like this. If you're on an older version of macOS, it may look a bit different. You can open up Spotlight by pressing the space bar like so, and then just type in the word Preview to open up the Preview app. As you can see, now my Preview app is open. What I want to do now is I want to paste it into the Preview app. So once that app is open, I go ahead and go to Command-V one more time on my keyboard, and here is that image that we just copied from our Apple Note. If you skip the Apple Note part of this video, you will not be able to customize any colors within your folders. So make sure you've done that. Now what I want you to do is select that image there and go to Open. This will open it here in our Preview app, and it'll look something like this. Once you've done that, go to your menu bar and select Tools in the upper left-hand corner and go to Adjust Color. Once you've selected Adjust Color, you'll see this box come available right here. This is where you can play around with all of these sliders to customize and get a color of your liking. As you can see, I can drag the upper portion of this here to make it darker blues, greens, and reds. But if I wanted to, I could select this option here and then go down to the tint option, and I can drag that to the left. I can drag that to the right. Once you're done adjusting the colors, you can go ahead and X out of the Adjust Color panel like so. And this next part is very important. Make sure that you go to the thumbnails, which is over here on the left sidebar. If you can't see them, just go right here and go to thumbnails. And then I want you to right click and go to Export As, like so. And you want to export it as a PNG file. And you want to export it on your desktop so it's easy to find. And then go ahead and go to Save. Once you've done that, you should then see that image that you created right here on your desktop. We then want to navigate back over to our folder, right click, Get Info, bring up the properties one more time like you see here, and then take that image wherever you saved it, click and hold that image and drag it on top of the thumbnail here in the properties. As you can see, it'll change that in the preview, and in a few seconds, it'll change that folder's color to the exact one that you created through that process. If you have any questions, put those in the comment section below. If this helped, like, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video.